Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve with the error code 0x800f0821 when installing optional features in Windows computer. So this 0x800f0821 is a common error that arises whenever users attempt to install optional Windows features, utilities such as .NET Framework, language packs, and graphics utility. And the 0x800f0821 can arise from multiple sources, are corrupted system files, Windows Update dependency failures, network issues, and conflicting system settings or damaged update components. And then I'll show you some solutions that it could help to fix this error. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to use the Windows Features menu instead of settings. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And then here at search for apps, and then you need to type this turn Windows Features on or off, and then click open. And once you open up this Windows Features on or off, and next step, so you will select which optional features you want to install. So for the first one is the .NET Framework 3.5. So we will install for that. So all you have to do is to check box. And then once you check this box, and then click OK. And wait for searching for required files to complete. Alright, so once it's complete, then you need to follow these instructions on your screen. Alright, so let Windows Update download the files for you, then click and then follow only the instructions. And then after completing the optional features, and then you need to restart. So click on here at the start menu and then restart. Alright, after restart and the other solutions we will do is to run the Windows Update and network troubleshooters. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu and then here at search for app, and then you need to type troubleshoot settings and then click open. So under at options, and then you need to select other troubleshooters, and under here at most frequent, and then you need to select Windows Update and on right side, and then you need to click this run and wait to complete the detecting problems, initializing, and diagnostic process. And then troubleshooting has completed. So whatever the scan result, so you can see here the complete process. So there's a problem found in here. So the Windows Update issues, and then you need to follow all the instruction here. So did we fix your problem? If not, then click no. If yes, then click yes only. And you can view also the detailed informations here. Alright, so after here at Windows troubleshooters and the other solutions we will do is to reset the Windows Update components. So all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu, and then here at search for apps, and then you need to type cmd, or this is the command prompt, and then you need to right click and select this run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click yes. And once you open up this administrator command prompt, and then next step, we need to enter this command keyword NATSH space wensack space reset. So you need to type this command keyword NATSH space wensack space reset and press enter. And successfully reset the Wensack catalog, you must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. So we need to close this CMD, and then here at start menu, and then click this restart. Alright, so click only. Alright, so that's it guys on how to fix 0x800f0821 error when installing optional features in Windows. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.